In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page on Kit Affiliate Marketing. We're going to walk through this step by step so that by the end, you'll have a simple, clean landing page that collects leads and then automatically sends people to your affiliate offer. You don't need any design skills for this. Just follow along on your own screen as I explain each part. First, let's create the actual page. In your Kit account, look for the main navigation and go to the Grow section. Under Grow, click on Landing Pages and Forms. This is where all of your opt-in forms and landing pages are managed. Once you're there, find the option that says Create New and choose Landing Page. This tells Kit you want a standalone page that you can share as a link, rather than a form you embed on another site. Next, you'll be asked to pick a template. For affiliate marketing, especially if you're promoting a lead magnet like a free guide, checklist, or mini training, select the template called Abby. This template is already optimized for lead capture, so you don't have to worry about layout or structure. After it loads, click directly on the text on the page and start typing in your offer. Make your headline clear and benefit-driven so visitors immediately understand what they're getting when they enter their email. Once the page looks good, we need to connect it to your affiliate link so subscribers are redirected after they sign up. At the top of the page editor, click on Settings. In the Settings area, make sure you're on the General tab. Look for the section labeled After a Visitor Subscribes. By default, this might be set to show a simple thank you message, but for affiliate marketing, you want to send them straight to your offer. Change this option to Redirect to an external page. A URL box will appear. Paste your affiliate link in that box, double-check that it's correct, and then click Save. This ensures every new subscriber is automatically taken to your affiliate page right after they opt in. Now you're ready to go live. In the top right corner of the editor, click Publish. Kit will generate a unique URL for your new landing page. Under Share Link, copy that URL. This is the link you'll use in your social media posts, emails, and ads to drive traffic to your new landing page.